It's time to leave behind your neutral eyeshadows and dive into the world of colors. I already have my base makeup on, so I'm going to jump straight onto the eyes. I'm going to start by concealing my eyelids and setting them with powder. A clean canvas will always make your eyeshadows pop. Place a piece of tape along your lower lash line to give your shadow a defined shape. Generously pack on a cream eyeshadow of your choice onto the entire eyelid. Pink is a personal favorite, so that's the color I'm going to be playing with today. In any eyeshadow look, it's important to blend the edges. Now to set the cream in place, I'll be applying a dark pink powder shadow on the outer half and a silver glitter on the inner half of my eye. Once again, blend these two shadows for a seamless gradient. I'm highlighting my brow bone with a gold tone shadow to make the arch of my eyebrow more pronounced. Now it's time for the eyeliner. I'm using a brown gel liner and creating a small yet sharp wing. I'm pulling the pink shadow down to my lower lash line. Applying a generous amount of Kajal to my waterline is going to give me added definition. To finish off this vibrant eye makeup look, I'm going to add a few layers of mascara to give my lashes length and volume. A hint of color on the cheeks can really pull a makeup look together, so I'm lightly applying a pink blush in a shade close to that of my eyeshadow. When I'm using colorful eyeshadows, I like to keep my lips neutral. So I've picked out this nude matte lipstick to finish off the look. I hope you enjoyed this look. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.